Go back, scratch.
Good morning, Uncle Herman. I kill you with my kisses. Nobody told you I love the kiss. Oh my God, your face gonna be real clean. Poochino. Poochino. Poochino, you ain't kiss mama. You not give mama no kiss. I jealous. I jealous, Chino. I jealous. Okay, thank you for the kisses, honey. Thank you for the kisses.
Shoot, I'm surprised I fell asleep.
Thank you for the kisses. Thank you for the kisses, honey. You see big old Uncle Herman, big old belly? That's a mountain. Will you attack me because I touched my uncle? This little dog here, he's a mess in the morning. He done got his vitamins. Poochino. Poochino. You know your name now? No, don't go down there.
Yeah, don't go down there. You might bite something.
Hey, Uncle Herman. Good. Didn't I tell you people's hand is not a teething ring? I got you teething bone, you don't want it, you. Oh, look how he put his face on you. That's so cute. He said, I give you a break for 2 seconds. I kiss again. You kiss him again. You kiss your uncle again. So you know how we wake up in this house. I'm the alarm clock baby. So yes, I am. Don't you want to have a cute alarm clock like me? I'm the cutest alarm clock on the world. Yes, I am. Good morning, Uncle Herman.
I can't breathe. Damn, boy. How you do that? How you do that, boy? Calm down. Calm down, baby. Yeah, calm down. Yeah.
Say, Mommy give me vitamins every morning.
Yeah, baby. Yeah, you need to stop that.
Then Gizmo in the bed, he can't get no vitamins.
Not the ears.
You better not open your mouth.